Visual Studio, or VS Code as it is mostly called, is an open source code editor created by Microsoft. Over the years, it has gained popularity, which makes it one of the most used and favorite code editor. This can be attributed to its exciting features such as built-in Git, integrated terminal, to name but a few. Above all, Visual Studio Code is extensible and customizable, as there are a lot of extensions to extend or add new features to the code editor. VS Code has been my main code editor for years now. To get started with VS Code, download and install the appropriate version for your operating system. Once it is installed, open it up. Not to worry if yours doesn't look exactly as mine in terms of appearance, because mine has been heavily tweaked and customized. For us to have something to work with, I have created a fresh Adonis application, which you can create using the Adonis CLI. In the next lesson, we will start setting up VS Code for Adonis.js development.